No. I need some music.
No, you don't.
This is about to be a stressful makeup look.
No, it's not.
I know myself and I know what I want. October, baby, you know what I'm on. YSL, baby, I'm East Lateral Run. Hey, whoa, Northside rider, DM slider, family and friends provider. What? Yes, I am that ass too slim. I need that shit a little wider. What? I'm with the O's and I'm with the crows and I'm with the real King Spider. What? Gang too routed up, I'm too fired up. She let me fucking delight.
Hey y'all, I've been challenged by the lovely Life.
Hi.
What's your channel name?
Life with Lolo.
Okay, she's challenged me to do a teenage makeup look. Now, y'all know we don't really do stuff like that. So the challenge is I can't do no brows, I can't do no lashes, I can't wear liner.
You can wear lashes.
No, I can't wear I can't do my brows, and I can't wear no eyeshadow. I can't wear liner. I can't do eyeliner. Not even like.
Nope.
Okay, so yeah, this is about to be a challenging look because yeah, no. So she picked out all my products, and we're about to see how this actually turns out.
It's gonna turn out good.
So if you want to see more of Life with Lolo, her channel will be linked in the pinned comment below, so make sure you check her out and subscribe to her channel. She uploads every when?
Every week. I don't have a posting schedule yet.
Okay, so she uploads every week, and she talks about school stuff, she vlogs and all that stuff. She got study videos. If you got a teenage daughter that's not ratchet, Life with Lolo is where she needs to be, because she ain't ratchet either. I don't play those type of games. So let's get on into this video and pray for the best.
It's gonna look good. Should we show them what we picked out?
No, no. Let's get started.
Look up. Oh my God, get down. Come on.
Okay, good.
No, I didn't. Stop. You're so scared.
Alright, that's enough.
Wait, I need to the other one.
No.
I need the other one.
Not like this stuff on my face. No, I don't see the difference.
I do. Stop clicking. I need the other one.
Hey y'all, so here
I think she looks amazing. Ready for school.
here is the final look. And I need some eyeshadow, a liner, something. Maybe let me
No.
Wait, let me do, can I do the inner corner right here?
With what?
Let's see.
You're asking for too much now.
I need some razzle dazzle.
I gave you some razzle dazzle. You did your razzle dazzle right there. That's good enough. It's hard to raise a mother.
Anyway.
It's very hard. It's like you have a very grown child living with you.
Child.
Sometimes you run out this house thinking you grown.
Yeah, because I am.
Sometimes, not really.
I got on baby lashes.
They're very big in my opinion now.
How? You picked them out.
Yeah, but in the packaging they don't look like that.
So this is the look.
A school look.
I mean,
It's not bad.
it's not bad. I just
It's
need,
for the teenagers.
I need some brows and some eyeshadow.
If you're really thinking about it, no teen knows how to do that. I don't know how to do that.
Practice make perfect. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said before, make sure you check out Life with Lolo in the pinned comment below. And I'll catch you. You're tired. You ain't doing nothing. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.